Imagine a world where barriers are broken, where technology empowers, and where vision goes beyond limits. Introducing GuidePro, the revolutionary smart glasses designed to empower the visually impaired. GuidePro combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, lightweight design to deliver independence and confidence. Ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles in real time, providing tactile and audio feedback to guide you safely. A powerful GSM module ensures you're never alone, with instant emergency notifications to loved ones. Powered by a hybrid solar battery system, GuidePro is ready when you are, indoors or outdoors. Every step, every moment reimagined. GuidePro, vision beyond limits. The future of independence starts today.